Ardarda gelen yıkıcı depremler Türkiye'nin 11 ilini vurdu. Türkiye'nin dostları haberi duyar duymaz derhal harekete geçti. Ve depremler büyük bir dayanışmayı da beraberinde getirdi. Avrupa Birliği ve Avrupa Birliği'ne üye ülkeler ilk günden itibaren Türkiye'ye desteklerini kararlılıkla sürdürdü. Depremlerin hemen ardından yardım ve barınma malzemeleri gönderildi. Arama kurtarma ekipleri, sağlık ekipleri ve sahra hastaneleri seferber edildi.
What I remember from those days, many emotions. There is still vivid memory of pain, both physical, mental pain, sorrow, fear of people who experience their losses.
The year 23 was one of the most challenging in my life, and I've been deployed in few difficult contexts. But to me, again, it showed, more the power of solidarity and humanity under dramatic circumstances, which is something that to me is still what motivates me for doing this job every day.
Merhaba. Today, 2 years have passed since the devastating earthquake in Turkey, which has brought unspeakable suffering and pain to Turkish citizens and everyone who lived in the earthquake-affected region. The European Union stood in solidarity with Turkey. We deployed rescue teams. We also mobilized international financial aid to come to the assistance of the people. But we also know that the efforts are yet not finished. On the contrary, we have to continue to provide solidarity and assistance because people are still suffering by the circumstances and the conditions created by the earthquake. The loss of family members, of friends is still very much present, but we also have to continue to support our friends and partners in re-establishing good conditions for taking back their normal life, for living in good conditions. I would like to reaffirm the European solidarity, the solidarity of the European Union for Turkey as a candidate country to the European Union. Teşekkür ederim.